everyone, it's Kelly Schaffner. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. If this is the first time that you have visited this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Please hit the subscribe button before you leave and you will never miss a video that I do really special unboxing. It's Stitch Fix unboxing, and I'm so excited about this Stitch Fix. If you're not sure what Stitch Fix is, I am going to leave all of the details in the comments below. So just click on that little triangle below and you can get all the information on Stitch Fix, as well as my referral link if you want to try this box for yourself. And if you go through my referral link, you can get your first box for free. So that's kind of cool. Let's open this box. So this is what it looks like inside. We do get our return mailers, so I can return anything that I do not care to keep. And then I've got a big envelope here with all the information, the details. My stylist since the very beginning has been Angelica. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I like to say Angelica. And she's done a pretty good job. Let me tell you what I did this time. In the beginning, when I started this subscription with Stitch Fix, I gave very little feedback. I kind of let her do her thing. And I was getting 5 for 5 boxes every single time. And then I started giving requests. I want these jeans or this color or just a lot of input from me. And I feel like my boxes got worse. I was keeping fewer and fewer items. So with this particular box, all I asked for was colorful springtime styles. So I just kind of wanted to leave it up to Angelica because she's the expert and she did a great job before I put in my 2 cents. So the first thing I see, Stitch Fix is now offering extras, and I did take advantage of that, and I ordered. I'm going to try all of their extras. They're undergarments, and I'm interested to see what the quality is like. And the one thing that I ordered, this is my very first piece of shapewear. So I did order that because I was thinking I'm having such a difficult time with the white jeans. I don't like the way any of the white jeans have fit, and this could be the answer. So even at my age, I have never used shapewear, and maybe it's time for me to join the shapewear movement. Oh, we'll see, we'll see. Okay, let's look at the burrito, and it looks colorful. I see all sorts of color there. Let me turn it around so you can see this side. And let's break into this. What do we have? This, my husband is going to love because he loves yellow. This is a yellow, big floral print with kind of a cap sleeve. High neck. Oh, we have a pocket detail there and a keyhole back with a little gold button there. This is by Alice Blue, and what is it called? Oh, this is a Stitch Fix exclusive. This is the Bushnell one pocket blouse. So I don't know about that pattern. You know how I feel about, I like florals. I just don't know about those great big florals. Looks like we have a lavender, sweater. This looks really, really interesting. This has got that exposed seams there. So this is going to be a really casual looking, oversized sweater in kind of a lavender color. I don't know if it's going to be off the shoulder or off one shoulder, but this is by Free People. I think I tried this sweater in black through another subscription, through my Trendsense, and it looked pretty good, so I'm excited to try that one. Oh, my favorite color. This is cute. So this is a Daniel Rain Philco cold shoulder blouse. Oh, this is orange. This looks really red to me. It's reading very red. Oh, this does have sleeves. It looked at the cold shoulder, once again, Kelly's favorite, and cold shoulder in orange with this really cool detail on the top. It's got some buttons in the back. Well, let me look at the front. It's a high-low, which will be really nice. It just looks very blousy. It probably won't look blousy on, but that looks like a very nice option. And what have we here? Off the shoulder. This is black and white with ties on the sleeve, so we have some detail there. And this is Alice Blue. Pine 2 off the shoulder top in navy. This looks black and white to me, but she's sure they're right, it's navy. So, okay, interesting option. Oh, look what they sent. They knew with the shapewear I might be interested in this. These are Lila Ryan, the white denims. Do we have any distressing? Oh gosh, no distressing. They do have a little cuff on them, so these are the Doriana skinny jeans in white. And I've got shapewear to try them on, so let's try it all on. All right, this is the yellow top I'm sure my husband's going to like. I'm not sure what I think about it. It's a very simple top. It's comfortable. It's got these little cap sleeves, which I don't think are the most flattering on me. You check out the back. It's a pretty simple top. I just don't know if I'm crazy about it. It goes nice with the white pants. These are the Lila Ryan pants. So I have on the shapewear. Check it out. Can you see right here? I know the camera doesn't pick up the white colors very well, but I feel like you can see through and see where the shapewear ends. In fact, I know that you can. I just don't know if you can see it with my camera, if that picks it up. But here's the pants. And again, I think they're just a very lightweight fabric. I don't know. They feel very, very comfortable. I wish I knew if they were going to stretch out and not fit so snug. I don't know if I'm comfortable in these. And I want to tell you the truth. I have a trunk club coming next week, and I saw the preview, and my stylist from Trunk Club is sending me 2 pairs of white denim. I requested Articles of Society because another YouTuber gave them such high praises. So tell me what you think about these jeans. And I'm wearing the shapewear. It feels very comfortable. I don't know, it's not really, I guess it is holding my tummy in. I wish it was concave because I'm wearing shapewear. This is that Alice Blue off the shoulder top. It's in navy and white. It's pinstripe. Let me get up close so you can check it out. It's got this really thick elastic band up here. And another thing, it's got the straps to hang it with. And I found myself like really trying to make sure that those are concealed. Then we have this cute tie detail, which I kind of like. I like the vibe of this blouse a lot. I like it when we do a front tuck with it a whole lot more. It feels very casual and yet kind of put together. Let me show you the back of it. I have had difficulty. I've tried a lot of the off-the-shoulder blouses with this thick elastic band, and I just don't know if they look very good on me. And especially once you raise your arms, then you're done. You're fooling with it all of the time. And all right, I have one question for you. Do you think I like this blouse? If you've been watching my videos, you know this is a home run for me. So much about this blouse I like. Look at this detail up here. This is probably not the best bra to be wearing with it, but isn't it lovely? What was the name of this one? Is this Daniel Rain? And this is an orange color. That's what they're calling it. Like the high-low, can you see that? The high-low. It looked really flowy, but I don't think there's too much fabric. Really, really like this blouse. I hope the price is right. This is the final option. This is the Free People. It's kind of off the shoulder sweater, sweatshirt. It's got that exposed seams on it. Very, very casual looking kind of sweater. I am going to link my Trendsend video to this because I received this same sweater in a charcoal gray color, and it was in a smaller size. I feel like this is just an awful lot of fabric. It does fit, it just feels like it's a really sloppy look. Even the sleeves are just a little bit too long for me. This isn't a size medium, and I think a small would still be oversized, and I would feel a little bit more comfortable in it. You know, I have to say, surprisingly, I really like this color. This is Dusty Lilac, I believe, is the name of the color. And let me show you the back of it. This, I think, would be much cuter if I was wearing a bralette, maybe even like a darker shade of violet, purple, something like that. We, with every Stitch Fix, you get a note from your stylist. Oh, hello. And here's a style card. It includes all of the pieces that she sent to me and ideas of how to style them with different pieces. Angelica is my stylist again. I don't know, maybe I am not supposed to have white jeans, but I'll tell you what, I'm not going to keep those. I like them, and I might consider them if the jeans from Trunk Club don't work out. So let's go over the pricing real quick. You know, some of you said that you really liked when I put the prices up on the screen when I'm doing the try-on, so I am going to do that for you, but if you've stuck around to the end, this is my first time seeing the prices. Panetto off the shoulder top, that's Allison Blue, that was the navy pinstriped one, that's $44, so that's a really good price. The Lila Ryan Doriana skinny jeans in white are $98. Not keeping them, they're not perfect, I'm not paying that much for jeans that aren't perfect. That Alice in Blue Bushnell one pocket blouse in mustard, the yellow blouse, is $38. I think my husband's gonna like that one. So when he gets home, I'll show him. The Free People Palisades textured off the shoulder in light purple is $68. And the Danielle Rain Philco cold shoulder blouse in orange is $68. And the shapewear in tan is $20. I'm still wearing it. It feels great. I don't know if it's offering me better shape. I do think it's offering me a little bit of security though. So the entire total of this box is $336. And my styling fee and purchase credit is $20. If I buy everything, the entire box is $237. I'm not going to buy everything. The jeans are about $100, so to purchase everything besides the jeans, which is what I'm considering, would be about $137. I did receive a style pass, so I have a $49 credit that's not reflected on this statement. So that takes 4 items less than $100, so I have a lot to consider. I don't know, I'm gonna have to think about this one. Stitch Fix, I just got my Stitch Fix, and Stitch Fix gives you 3 days to try everything on, to think about it, to decide what you want to keep. And this is certainly a box that I'm gonna have to think about. I really would appreciate your feedback. Let me know if there's any of the items that you liked or didn't like. I hope you like this one because I truly, I'm gonna show my husband that yellow blouse and sleep on it, listen to your feedback before I send these items back, or just the jeans back. I don't know. I'm really not sure, but I'm excited that I have some great options here to pick from. As always, I thank you so much for visiting this channel, for watching this video, for all of your input. I love when you join the conversation. 2 more days, there's going to be another video by Kelly. You'll tune into that one too. Thank you all so much. God bless you. Good day.